In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a product from cart on Temu app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So you can see here I have added this product to cart, and on some cases you might not be seeing the product that you added to cart. If you head down here under cart, you can see you will see the number of products that are in your cart. To remove this product, go ahead and tap on cart, and then this will go ahead and open your cart, and you'll see all the products that are here. Down here we have an option to check out, but for my case I want to remove it from cart. To do so, go ahead and identify the product that you want to remove and tap on it, and then go down here under quantity, and you can see currently it is 1. To remove it, just go ahead and subtract by tapping on minus, and it will be removed. So if I go out, now you can see my cart is empty. Go ahead and identify other products that you had added to cart and then just subtract to remove them from cart. So that's how you do it on Temu app. If this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.